Hi, I'm John Pagano with Sunseeker Class C Motorhomes, and welcome to this walk around of the 2023 Sunseeker 2150. This sleeps 6 and has seat belts for 6. It has outside features like a fiberglass molded front cap, Asdel substrates, side view and backup cameras, and what I think is the main event is the pass-through storage. With 2 different entry points into this, you can fit about anything you want on this short, compact floor plan. Let's take a look at the inside and what makes this floor plan so great. When you walk in, you notice just a great amount of space. You've got the huge U-shaped dinette with 4 seat belts. You've got the full queen-size bed, 60 by 80 inch mattress. You've got a side aisle bathroom over here, and notice we separate the shower and the toilet from the sink so you can use both at the same time freely. We've got a 60 by 8 inch queen mattress, so your fitted sheets will fit this as well, with a 40-inch TV that comes out on a swivel. So whether it's 2 people, 4 people, or 6 people, everybody can be comfortable in this space. Last but not least, here in the cab area, you've got your backup monitor where your side view and backup cameras can feed into that. So if you have a GPS device, you could have that readily available, and you can have your backup monitor on so you don't have to toggle back and forth in between those 2 items, and you have a nice full 360 view while driving down the road. Thanks for joining us. For more information or for more videos like this, please visit our YouTube channel or forrestriverinc.com. I'm John Pagano, and thanks for joining us.